Hi, I'm CJ Nelson from the Twister's Cookbook, your guide to twisted living, and welcome to the new Twisted 5. Coming at you at number one, the biggest news from the land down under is that Qualatex Australia has closed. As of April 2nd, 2024, Qualatex Australia has ceased operations, having opened in 1996. It will be sorely missed because Qualatex Australia was very important in the building up of the balloon industry in that region. The future remains uncertain for the other Qualatex companies throughout the world. For those who do not know, Pioneer Balloon Company declared Chapter 11 bankruptcy in 2023. Number two, Twist and Shout 2024 was one for the books. It introduced a new competition, the Wearable Time Competition, as well as a new award, the Top Twister Agility Award. To be eligible, you had to compete in all four agility timed competitions: the 3-minute, the 10-minute, the hairband/bracelet, and the new wearable. That is a mask, a hat, a backpack, or something that kind of goes around your waist like a pool floaty. And taking home top honors in agility was Kristal Yee of Canada. And Kristal also won Top Twister Artistic, having competed in the small, medium, and large competitions. Kristal is now the first and only person to have won both Top Twister awards, and she also made time for a fabulous dress that received an award in the fashion competition. Congratulations, Kristal, on a historical showing. Twist and Shout 2025 will be back again next year and will be hosted in Atlanta, Georgia. Number three, let's talk tutorials. We got a lot of new content out there, and this week we're going to highlight Mauricio Ramon. Mauricio has released at least 5 new collections of tutorials. 3 of them are seasonal holiday ones. There was Easter, St. Patrick's Day, and a Valentine's Day one. He also released an ocean life and then an artistic flower accent geared more towards deliveries or if you just want to make some really cool whimsical flowers. You can contact Mauricio direct to get information about those, as well as check out the listings on the Premium Tutorials Facebook group. Number 4, there are new entertainer balloons available from Callison. Callison balloons are manufactured in Turkey, and you can find them at several different distributors in the United States. Focusing on LaRocks right now, they have 38 different colors available in the new 260K. They have the mirror, which is your shiny chrome reflex variant. They have macaroon, which is just an assortment of, which is their pastel colors. They also have a retro line and then a standard line of colors as well. The exciting thing about Callison coming and bringing entertainer balloons to the United States is that recently in a Balloon Mart TV YouTube interview with Carrie Ferguson of Callison UK, she showed off the new 360, 160, 50 count Nozzle Up packaging. That's right, 360, 160 in Nozzle Up packaging. Hopefully these will come to the United States for those of you who love their Nozzle Ups, and maybe it might encourage other manufacturers to follow suit. Number 5, let's talk convention news. The main convention season of January and February is over. That is starting with Florida Super Jam, then Capital Convention, followed by Twist and Shout. Next up is April. We have the Midwest Artist Xtravaganza, or MAX. They'll be held April 21st through April 25th in St. Louis, Missouri. Registration is $400, and you stay at the hotel. You also get a day pass for $100. They'll have classes for twisting, some decor, as well as face paint and body art. So if you do both of those or are in the area, please come and check it out. That's all for this edition of the Twisted 5. I'm CJ Nelson of the Twister's Cookbook, your guide to twisted living.